Imagine a beautiful home made from natural wood that keeps you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Now imagine that you can easily build this house and enjoy up to 30% savings on construction costs compared to traditional technologies. This is the first do-it-yourself passive house that saves money and time, because we do most of the work for you. Made with advanced technology that originated in Europe, we deliver this unique style of housing straight to you. Simply, we offer a better way to build a better home using advanced technology, quality materials, and a controlled work environment to assemble energy-efficient homes in less time. Our innovative log connection system is the most advanced and innovative wooden building technology, extremely energy efficient, economical, and environmentally friendly. Absence of thermal bridge connection prevents heat loss and the risk of internal condensation. Super insulated, equivalent to 24 inches of wood or 302 inches of concrete. Translates in energy savings for the life of the home. Just like a thermos keeps coffee warm without additional energy, this house uses efficient insulation to retain heat, so you can save up to 40% on heating costs. Your savings can be up to 30% on construction costs because of our innovative Lego-style building technology. Lightweight, exceptionally tight double tongue and groove V-connection system is easy to assemble even by one person. A special corner connection design makes corners geometrically precise 90 degrees and extremely rigid. Enjoy savings on eliminating conventional building materials and processes. No exterior siding, no vapor barrier, no sheathing, no framing lumber, no drywall, no waste, no crane or special equipment required. The assembled house provides stunning interior and exterior finishes. Kiln-dried timber is machined into prefabricated components with a superior finish that won't crack or settle. Pre-numbered, packaged and delivered to the construction, ready for assembling with ease to follow installation instructions. No settling. Move in once contour is complete. You can build your house in 3 weeks or less. A healthy home. We use natural wood with no toxic chemicals. As more people suffer from health issues related to poor indoor air quality, our homes are a smart choice for a better living environment. A quieter environment with high sound isolation values. Continuous clean fresh air. Neutral odors. Even temperature year-round. Logs absorb and release moisture into the air to keep your home at optimal air humidity. What are you waiting for? With a wide range of styles, our kits can be used for residential and commercial applications and can be built to any set of plans. Contact us today to discuss your project, plus other features to consider. Lightweight, easy to transport and unload. The prefabricated set is compact for easy transportation and storage, especially in hard-to-access areas or confined conditions. Works with lighter foundation, even with the screw piles foundation, plus hidden wiring, plumbing, utilities, and heating system, and more. Speak to us now about your idea, and you can trust. We deliver the most advanced prefabricated kit at the price you can afford.